Sanikind, the first of a kind, totally convenient, refillable misting hand sanitizer made from recycled plastic. And our sanitizer refills packaged in aluminum bottles, which means no more plastic waste. Sanikind was created by the same inventor as Final Straw, the original collapsible, reusable drinking straw which raised nearly $2 million here on Kickstarter. You wouldn't leave the house without your phone, wallet, or keys, and now you shouldn't leave your house without this. Sanikind holds enough spray for more than all-day use. And when you run out, you refill it like this. And unlike gel sanitizers, Sanikind is a fine mist, which means you can effectively sanitize surfaces too. So now, you can keep everything that you touch clean, like this, 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 and of course, these. And with the included carabiner, you can bring Sanikind with you everywhere. On your keys, your belt, your purse, or even your dog. We make the Sanikind Mini out of ocean-bound plastic that's sourced from cleanup crews we help employ in Haiti. So if you want to keep your hands clean, and our oceans clean too, you have to try Sanikind. We chose to package our sanitizer refills in aluminum for 2 reasons. 1, it's not plastic. 2, aluminum is the single most sustainable packaging option, because it's recycled the most. To make our sanitizer, we work directly with local U.S. distilleries who manufacture to the WHO and FDA specifications, so you can be sure that this stuff works. By having these partnerships, we help get people back in their jobs, stirring the local economy and helping us get back to normal. And with Sanikind, you can buy it when you need, or sign up for our discounted subscription box. We ship everything plastic-free and offset our carbon footprint.